Dragon under Drogues.
SpaceX coming
Main
home.
shoots in about 30 seconds.
Drogue descent rate nominal.
Nominal, yeah, okay.
The two
Let's
Drogue
go.
parachutes
Let's go.
came
Give
out.
us some mains.
Expected descent rate, the expected velocity.
Everything
of the
looks
Drogues
good.
Nominal.
The
We're
boys are coming
right around
home.
150 miles an hour and already dropping.
Mains.
You can see
Mains
the
popping out.
Drogues now detach.
There we have confirmation of deployment of the 4 main parachutes.
All mains are holding.
Look at that.
We are visual on 4 shoots out.
We are
Yeah.
visual. 4 main parachutes deployed.
4 main.
Full deployment, full shoots.
Yes.
They could lose one of them and still be okay.
Oh, man. That's awesome. Look at that. That is beautiful. They're coming home.
So at this point, the main parachutes have deployed. They are inflating, as you can see there on your screen, continuing to slow Dragon down significantly. We are anticipating splashdown in just under 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
We've already slowed the vehicle down to about 16 miles an hour. It's already less than a kilometer in altitude.
That's it. The next thing is splashdown. 2 minutes.
Like you said, falling at 16 mile an
Oh,
hour,
man, that
4
is
parachutes.
awesome. That is so awesome.
Dragon spacecraft is
Descent
coming home.
rate nominal.
Endeavor.
Passing through 700 meters.
Yes.
So at this point, Dragon has saved all propulsion systems on
600
board.
meters.
600 meters.
And we're 600 meters above the Gulf of Mexico.
They sound great. It looks great.
Be approximately a minute 30 from splashdown.
Mission control team here in Hawthorne has reported the precise landing coordinates to the recovery team. They are standing by, ready to go get our space dads.
100 meters.
Look at this. This is fantastic. Oh, man.
Almost landed.
Just passed about 300 meters.
Woo! Look at that view.
1 minute till splashdown.
That's probably from the recovery ship there. That looks pretty steady. Look at rock steady. Look at those parachutes. They look
300
beautiful.
meters. We are braced for splashdown.
Brace for splashdown.
Be braced for
Here it
splashdown.
comes.
Yes.
You're going to get to watch them land in the ocean.
So there we heard Bob and Doug reporting.
Gulf
that
of
they're
Mexico
bracing for
coming up.
Splashdown.
Yeah, this has to be off the ship because that is a rock steady
You should be
picture.
able to see the Gulf of Mexico here in the shot just momentarily.
Momentarily, you'll get to see
as
the
we're now
Gulf
just
of
about 20
Mexico.
meters off the ocean.
20 meters. Ain't far
Only
at all.
20 meters up. There it is.
There it is.
There it is.
Here we go.
There it is.
Kaplash! The boys are home.
As you can see on your screen, we have
Look at
visual
that.
confirmation for splashdown.
That's awesome. Welcome home, guys. Welcome home. There it is. Like a bobber in the water. Straight up. Look at that.
DC splashdown and mains cut.
Perfect.
Dragon Endeavor has returned home. NASA astronauts Bob and
Endeavor, on
Doug.
behalf of the SpaceX and NASA
Them
team,
chutes
welcome
are
back to
huge.
Planet Earth, and thanks for flying SpaceX.
Nice. Welcome home and thanks for flying SpaceX, he says.
It's truly our honor and privilege to fly in flight of the Crew Dragon and Endeavor. Congrats, everybody at SpaceX.
Look at it sitting perfectly straight up and down like a bobber.
All
Beautiful.
good. And we're into section of 4.800.
They're on their way out to get them.
Thanks for those words.
That boat is gonna
and
look
we
so
are
small
happy
compared to
you
that
are into,
spacecraft when it gets up there.
4.800.
It'll look like a miniature boat.
Great news all around.
But it's so
there.
far
Our
away yet.
Space dads are
Oh,
back
man.
on Earth after a 19-hour return journey from space. Dragon Endeavor has
Oh, there's another one over here
splashdown
going.
in the Gulf of Mexico, just off the coast of Pensacola, Florida. And on your screen there, you can see our 2 fast boats, and they are indeed fast, racing out to greet Dragon Endeavor as it sits there. The
This
first
is inside the
There we go.
on
cockpit.
there we can see a view inside the capsule. Bob and Doug looking good. Although the communication was a little choppy, we did hear
SpaceX Endeavor in 3.1. We show ourselves in stable 1.
Stable 1.
And SpaceX copies for vehicle assessment, step 3.1, stable 1. Good news.
Stable one.
Stable 1 is essentially just means that the capsule's pointing nose up. Stable 2 would be capsule upside down in the water. That's called stable 2, and eventually they'd have to flip it over to get to stable 1. But stable 1 is the normal condition that they would have to be in here.
To bladders in the service section of the capsule, but they're upright. We already see the fast boats approaching. They touched down, came right on time at 11:48 a.m. Pacific, 1848 UTC. Bob and Doug now in the water, and the recovery ops, they've already begun. We already see the fast boats starting to move in. We're still maintaining that good communication back with Bob and Doug and the team here in Hawthorne.
Anyway, I hope you guys
Pretty
enjoyed
soon we
that.
should be getting,
Just a little clip
go for them to move in,
of the
begin their hypergol sniffs, and begin wrangling up those parachutes. We'll
boys
see
coming home from
Bob and Doug
space.
inside
Have
the
a great
capsule,
day
back on planet
and
Earth.
enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Yeah, those fast boats will be moving in to do a couple of things.